Hello everyone. Today I get a phone Galaxy A31 with earphone mode problem. You can see there is no sound because the phone is in earphone mode. So let's see how to fix it. First of all, need to remove the back cover and SIM tray. Now need to heat the back cover to soften the glue. Now all the screw need to be removed. Now the back back part need to be removed. You can see there are a lot of dust. That's why the earphone mode problem occurs. It's a very common problem, so need to clean the board thoroughly. I'm using isopropyl alcohol to clean the board. So cleaning is done. Now need to set up the board again. So as you can see, the problem is fixed. So now the sound is working perfectly. So the job is done. Now it is the time to set up the back shell. Before set up the back shell, you need to clean the glue. Otherwise your back shell will not fit properly. So that's it. Bye bye everyone.